Hi everyone, welcome to Krithi Car Care, and today we have XUV 3XO. This brand new car is here for plastic painting and dechroming. When we have these kind of jobs that we have to do it, we prefer removing all the panels, thoroughly decontaminating, then do a plastic primer, and then paint. When it comes to painting the plastics and chrome, we discussed with customer and decided that the plastics will be gloss black, and the chromes we thought to have a red color, which will give a little contrast to the color which is there on the body of the car. In the end, the combination of black and red is going really well with the car, and this is how amazing the car is looking. Hope you like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Apart from this customized service, we also provide general service for the cars, wheel balancing, alignment, body shop work, and detailing. Do reach out to us in case you have any query. Thank you.